I want to make this video for Paul at Loadall to show how easy his ramps and his ratchets make things so much simpler to transport a bike. I have two on the front forks. Self-winding is nice. They get themselves right out of your way. I've had this one about 2.5 years. And I got two more of the ratchets in the back to keep it from swaying left and right during travel. They're safe, they're easy, you can stop anywhere you want, you always got feet on the ground, go as slow as you want. Don't forget to do your little hesitation while you hold your buttons in to put it in travel mode. Throw your straps on, close your ramp up, you're gone.